A little quickie for you guys, something that I really like to take on the road when we go camping, and I'm sure you recognize it. This is lasagna. Now lasagna at home takes me about an hour to make, at least. All the prep work, cooking, all of that stuff. But this is not something I want to do in the camper on a oven or on the range. So I go ahead and make up a nice big dish of it here. We had, 12 servings? 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, something like 12. And then what I'll do is go ahead and I'm going to wrap up each one of these individually in a serving. That's a pretty big serving for us. And then I'll go ahead and freeze them. Wrap them up, freeze them, about 6 to a packet. And I'll probably take about 9 or 10 of these with us on the road. So when we go camping, all I got to do is take this out the night before, let it thaw out, usually right on the cabinet, right up on the counter. And in the morning it's all thawed out, or take it out in the morning and it's thawed out by that evening. And then just plop it into a skillet, put a little water down in there, put a cover on it, heat it up, and this stuff is perfect. So just a quickie on the complex meals. If you can freeze them, make up an extra batch, put some in the freezer, just grab them and go. They're ready for camping. It works out really, really well. Just a quick one there for you guys.